Hello everybody and welcome to the Dovetail Box student series. In this series, Rob is going to be attempting to follow my videos on making a dovetail box, which are viewable on my free online school. Link to it is in the description below. Would you like to talk a bit about this series?
Yeah, so the idea is that I'm a complete beginner. The most I've ever tried to build is a checkerboard in resistant materials class, woodwork class at school. And to be honest, most of that really wasn't me building it, and the teacher did a lot of my work.
Yes, they did. Yes. We're not going to do that in this series.
No.
Rob is doing everything, following the exact same videos that you guys will be watching.
Exactly. So if he's done a bad job at creating the videos, then that'll show through.
Exactly, exactly.
But more to the point, it's the sort of thing where I can ask questions, and I will have no choice but to ask questions that he might not quite have covered in the video. Matt's potentially cut stuff out that he doesn't realise that people might actually want to see, because it's very easy when you're at such a high level, to sort of not quite think about the absolute basics, which is what I'll be thinking about all of the time.
And apart from anything, I've taught this project to quite a few students now, various versions of a box, and there are common steps that people mess up on. And like Rob said, I have tried to cover these in videos, but inevitably he's going to uncover more of them. I hope he does, because apart from anything, it's going to make some hilarious content. But I will, if he screws up on those certain areas, you guys will be able to see how I would go about fixing it and how I would tell someone else to fix it as well. So there'll be value for him, value for you as well, and everything like that. It is worth saying, if you're watching this on YouTube, this is best viewed on my website, because what we'll be doing with this series is I will have my tutorial video, be a little bit of information below talking about the video, talking about the free resources available and all sorts of extra information that will be really beneficial to you. And then below that, we will have Rob's video, which is linked with the one above. So you'll be able to see everything running simultaneously, and there won't be any kind of things misaligned throughout the project, I guess.
Yeah, sounds about right.
Now, the other thing I want to say is, if you want to get involved with this yourself, please, if you have access to a camera, iPhone, whatever, I would love to see some other people film themselves, do this project, and get involved with it themselves. Document yourself as you go, and just I'd just love to watch it, to be honest, and just see people around the world making these projects. If you do so, please get hold of me. I would love to share it on my website so you can get some extra traffic to your videos, and all I ask in return is that you put a link to the online school in the description of your video. That's it. Nothing else whatsoever. Now, material. What are you using for this project?
Well, as a complete beginner, it's always a really good idea to start off with something that's cheap and easy to work with potentially. Well, I don't know how easy this is. And
you know, such as poplar. This is what I'm using for my tutorial. Cheap, easy to work with.
Yeah, and like worst case scenario, you just go and get some more, and it's nice and easy. So I've decided for African Paduk. Yes.
Yes. You've squished a wasp with it.
Oh no, I have. So I made a desk. I made a desk, or at least Matt built the desk. That was made out of African Paduk. You can see the video. I'm sure we'll put that in the description below.
We absolutely will. We absolutely will.
Yeah, and we had about a meter left, a meter spare to be using for it. So why not just go all out and make a Paduk box as the first proper woodworking project I ever do?
Exactly, exactly. So it's going to be very interesting. As I said, please view this on the website. Link to it will be in the description. If you want to get involved, just send me a message with a link to your video and I'll get it posted on my website. And if you click the link below, that will take you to the first video that Rob is going to be doing on this series. And if you click the little subscriber button to the left-hand side of this video, then you'll subscribe to the channel and you'll get latest updates on all the upcoming videos. See you in the next one.